Hi, this is Dave Z from Open Road RV. Today, we can take a tour of the 2025 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Roost43. And I'll tell you what, this unit is impressive. Let's take a look. The first thing you notice when you walk into this living room is just the lighting and how homey it looks and feels. The attention to detail is fantastic. And then moving on to the kitchen, look what this thing has to offer. Full-size microwave, 4-burner stove, massive oven, and then also, look at the size of this fridge and freezer. Beautiful. Ready for this? Let's take a look at the bathroom. This bathroom is amazing. Check this out. Washer and dryer, and also a table to fold your clothes on. And here's me nodding in approval. Thumbs up, guys. Well, let's head upstairs and check out the first bunk area. And yes, I said first. How about we check out the master bedroom? Prepare to be amazed. Look at this. You have your own personal fireplace while you enjoy TV in bed. How great is that? Let's head down these stairs and head to the other side and go up that other second set of stairs. Yes, now we'll go up the spiral staircase. What do you think these stairs take you to? If you thought second bunk, you are correct. This is the second bunk location. At this point, I felt like I just needed to take a seat and take in the views. I just can't get over how impressive this unit is. It's crazy. The last piece of this unit that is truly impressive is just the attention to detail in the ceiling. Look at that. It's just beautiful. That pretty much sums up the 2025 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Roost43. Thank you so much for watching.